Markets react to Trump's second term, key trends and earnings highlights. On the front pages, catching headlines, Donald Trump sworn in as the 47th President of the United States, and most importantly, he is the second person in U.S. history to serve non-consecutive terms in the White House. Strictly speaking, permabulls at Dalal Street are desperate for a more business-friendly administration from Trump 2.0. Meanwhile, Wall Street was closed on Monday in observance of Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Wall Street index futures, however, were comfortably in green after the inauguration of President Trump. In his speech, the president refrained from confirming immediate tariffs to be passed as previously pledged. Elsewhere, WTI oil prices declined towards $77.50 per barrel as Trump has pledged to roll back several of former President Joe Biden's renewable energy initiatives and lift restrictions on new LNG licenses. The only big headline for the day, record exodus from the foreign institutional investors. This January so far, they have sold to the tune of Rs. 50,912.60 crores. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's positive session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4337 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 4322 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggests that the benchmark is at oversold zone on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 16.41 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 0.95 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 0.63. Nifty outlook, Nifty shall continue to trade with positive bias, but Trump tariff is a wild card out there. Nifty, CMP 23345. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,100 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,757 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23250 and 23500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 49351. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen at 48,309 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 50,251 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48,900 and 50,000. Bias for the day is positive. The good news this morning is that the US dollar index has extended its decline, dropping about 1% to 108.30 levels. Traders' attention also shifts to the World Economic Forum kicking off in Davos, Switzerland. Meanwhile, the three big catalysts. 1. The Federal Open Market Committee's next policy meeting on January 28 to 29. 2. The Union Budget 2025-26, scheduled for 1st February. 3. Delhi Assembly election voting on 5th February, results on 8th February. Buzzing stocks. 1. The corporate India's Q3 earnings to trickle in today, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, UCO Bank, Tata Technologies, PNB Housing Finance. 2. Zomato's consolidated revenue from operations rose 64.38% to Rs. 5,405 crore, compared to 3,288 crore rupees during the third quarter of the previous year. Zomato's net profit, however, fell by 57.24%, Rs. 79 crore to Rs. 59 crore, compared to Rs. 138 crore in the same quarter of the previous year. Zomato's shares dropped by 7.27% post its Q3. 3. Dixon Technologies a 124% year-on-year surge in its Q3 FY25 net profit at 217 crore rupees, mainly boosted by its mobile and EMS unit. It posted a net profit of 97 crore rupees in the corresponding quarter last fiscal year. 4. Multi-Commodity Exchange of India Ltd, MCX, reported Q3 earnings with 57% YoY revenue growth. MCX reported a net profit of 160 crore rupees for the third quarter that ended 31st December 2024.